think Neil's just come off. Well, good morning everybody, welcome to day 4, Chaves. Left the hotel this morning, bright and breezy. I didn't know that Portugal went an hour behind Spain. So we're looking at the sat-nav yesterday. I couldn't work it all out. Sat-nav was telling me a different time to the clock. I didn't realise it had gone back. So Portugal, same time as UK. So I got up this morning, 8 o'clock. Well, 7:30. Got up, had breakfast. Continental breakfast this morning. Hotel worked out at about £27, I think. That was secure parking. Underground secure parking. Breakfast included. Reasonable rooms as well last night. Went out round this medieval town last night, explored the castle and all the cobbled streets. We got recommended a restaurant, but they were fully booked. It was Saturday night, so the lady sent us to another restaurant that was fully booked. So we managed to find a bar that did tapas. However, the tapas wasn't tapas like I knew it. The first dish that came out, I don't know, it was like called Ping Pew or something daft. And when he put it down, he said, "Oh, this is woodpecker." And it came out, it was like small cubes of brown meat, but just laced, and I mean laced with garlic. It was like garlic and salt. You could hardly taste it. Next dish that came out was some chicken on the bone, which wasn't too bad, and then he brought out some potato wedges. And then he brought out some ribs, but they didn't look like ribs because they didn't have a lot of meat on them. So it could have been anything. All washed down with a couple of pints of Superbock and Erdinger. We found a brilliant biker bar called Kilometre Zero, run by a local biker club. And they said that the N103 is the best road around here to ride. And then they had t-shirts and stickers with all that on. I just bought a fridge magnet last night with Kilometre Zero, #Kilometre Zero on it. Took a couple of pictures of that. That's on my Instagram page, Uneasy Rider. So we're heading out of Chaves this morning. We have got 200 miles to run. Should be at our destination. It says 2 o'clock on the sat-nav, but with stops, I think, again, 5 o'clock in the evening. And then we're going to head to, I think it's called Tilu or Timu. It's like a little tiny village not far from Leon. And we're going to stay there tonight. It's going to be a hot one, I think, today. So the summer jacket might get a trip out today. So Richard's planned the route, and he's planned his route using my route app for his Garmin, and then he sent us the tracks, and me and Neil have both got TomToms, the TomTom Rider 400 series, and for some reason we're not following the same tracks as what Richard is. And then Richard's just been having issues with his sat-nav this morning, which is trying to loop him down the motorway and down the toll road. So we pulled over and we've sorted that out, I think, making sure that my sat-nav's set to avoid motorways and toll roads. We seem to be following the 525 again, which is the road that we were on yesterday. That long sweeping one with the long sweeping bends. This long sweeping road's just given me a chance just to wake up this morning. I didn't sleep overly well last night. I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I think my guts were suffering from woodpecker poisoning. We're back on this N525, and I've just spent the last 20 minutes just banging it into a right hand long sweeper fast, then into a nice left hand sweeper fast, back into a right, and it's just left right, and you can just link the bends up, going quite quickly. Nice steady pace this morning, nothing too arduous, nothing too technical. Just nice, relaxed, giving us a chance just to wake up. Don't know what's up with me this morning. I just feel lethargic. I don't know whether that's probably dehydration, I would say. Need to get some water on board. Yeah, this 525 is a good road, long and winding. Have a look at this. Have a look at this view round the corner. But we are pretty much as high as all them mountains over there. That is mega. Some good views. Wowzers.
Yeah, so it's detoured us. We need to be here, but we're kind of going this way rather than going back to Ponferrada or 250k round. So we need to be kind of there.
So I don't know if you heard that. Rich was saying that there's a road closure on his planned route, so he's just trying to work out a way to get back on track. We're 1,050 metres above sea level. Up here in the Spanish mountains, up here also with the wind turbines, and it is blowing. So every time you sort of go into a bend, the wind gusts sort of hits the front wheel and it sort of straightens you up a little bit, which is a bit unnerving. Oh, I get it all in my chest at the moment. Awesome views. Look at this. Watch out for these pine needles in the middle of the road. Woohoo! Bit damp as well in places. in this little pine forest. Look at this. It's a great little road. Oh, it smells lush. Oh, it smells all pine and fresh. Like proper fresh air. Gorgeous. This is a lovely little road, this. Look at this. Yes, good call, Rich. What a bend. Hey! Oh, good couple of bends coming up here as we get lower to this this kind of lake at the bottom. It is damp on this road though. The AS14 this is. Watch out for rockfall and pine cones. And rabid dogs. Yeah, look at this. Oh. Wowzers. There's all like angels and stuff carved into the rock. Right, if you're ever out this way, come on to the AS14, there's a hydroelectric dam. You need to come and see it. Oh, there's a viewpoint there. Look at this. You see all the angels in the rock?
Silly me, thinking you and her could work things out. I'm a third wheel on this broken car.
Wow.
You're a mess, just wanna get out. Silly you, why is it so hard to be real? Speak the truth, say you're sorry, hear her out. You're
Wow.
too proud, like a child. You think time will tell
was really interesting, that was, that hydroelectric dam. Yeah, the AS14. Great road, and then you've got something really good to see. The road surface isn't that great round here, but the bends and the views make up for that. What a great afternoon. Obviously it's 6 o'clock now, and we were supposed to be there by 6, but we've had to take our time riding this and stop at that fantastic point of interest while we're listening to my exhaust resonate off the cliff face of this pine forest. And that's where we've just been, all the way down there. Fantastic views of them mountains over there in the distance. While we slow down and concentrate for this typewriter. Oh. But we're still up high. We need to come down yet, and there's no sight of that yet. I think Neil's just come off. Oh.